Freakonomics, a rogue economist explores the hidden side of everything. Freakonomics, a rogue economist explores the hidden side of everything is a non-fiction book written by University of Chicago economist Stephen Levitt and New York Times journalist Stephen J. Dubner, published in 2005. The book features chapters on economic theory mixed with pop culture topics. One of the sections involves the secrets of the Ku Klux Klan, and for that reason, the book is banned in Texas prisons. In 2005, an inmate in a Texas prison ordered the book, only for it to get flagged by the prison mailroom. The prison staff noted a racial epithet in a chapter about the Ku Klux Klan. Even though the disparaging phrase is from a 50-year-old quote, the prison has upheld their decision to keep Freakonomics on their banned book list. Some may want to commend the prison staff for being thorough and discovering controversial topics in books, such as the discussion of the Ku Klux Klan in Freakonomics. However, this is also the same prison system that has no problem allowing Adolf Hitler's Mein Kampf, as well as 2 books authored by David Duke, former Ku Klux Klan Grand Wizard, on their approved list.
Merchant of Venice.
The Merchant of Venice.
She's come undone.
She's come undone.
Teach yourself visually computers.
Teach yourself visually computers.
The 4-Hour Chef.
The 4-Hour Chef.
Grant writing for dummies.
Grant writing for dummies.
The elements of persuasion. Use storytelling to pitch better, sell faster, and win more business.
The elements of persuasion. Use storytelling to pitch better, sell faster, and win more business.
Slavery by another name. The Re-Enslavement of Black Americans from the Civil War to World War II.
Slavery by another name. The Re-Enslavement of Black Americans from the Civil War to World War II.
A Charlie Brown Christmas Pop-Up Edition.
A Charlie Brown Christmas Pop-Up Edition.
Scar Tissue.
Scar Tissue is the 2005 memoir from Anthony Kiedis, frontman of the rock band Red Hot Chili Peppers. The book details the band forming in 1983 and how 20 years later the band is still going strong. Kiedis has plenty of stories to share, starting with his adolescence and growing up with his drug-dealing father. The book continues to talk about all things sex, drugs, and rock and roll. If there are any Red Hot Chili Pepper fans within the Washington Department of Corrections, they'll have to wait until they are released to pick up this autobiography. The Washington prison system has banned the book Scar Tissue from being allowed in their prison, basing the decision on the fact that the book contains sexually explicit material. More 30 of 126 best autobiographies ever written, 656 of 704 books that changed your life, 4 of 68 the best celebrity autobiographies.
So, they say you've broken the law, challenging legal authority.
So, they say you've broken the law, challenging legal authority is a 2011 self-published book written by the Lioness. The object of the book is to help others gain a better understanding of the law, particularly for those who have court appearances but may not have access to a lawyer. The book claims to be useful for defense purposes, appeals, and challenges. One would assume a book by this title would be most helpful to those who have broken the law. In July 2015, the Michigan Department of Corrections banned the book within their prison system and stated that the book includes content which advocates and promotes the violation of state and federal laws, including directions to avoid paying taxes and the laws which control the use of roads and highways.
The 48 Laws of Power.
Robert Greene's The 48 Laws of Power is known to be a popular reading choice among prisoners in the United States prison system, as well as celebrities. The best-selling book provides 48 laws on how to live your life and gain confidence. Greene studied the lives of Henry Kissinger and P. Barnum and borrowed the philosophies of Machiavelli and Sun Tzu to come up with his 48 principles. As popular as the book, it's also on the banned list at many prisons. In fact, as of 2017, there are only 2 books that are explicitly prohibited in Utah prisons: The 48 Laws of Power, as well as Greene's follow-up. The Utah prison system feels that both books have the ability to teach inmates how to manipulate others. Reading Game of Thrones in Utah prisons, however, is totally fine.
AA Road Atlas. Travel with someone you trust.
AA Road Atlas. Travel with Someone You Trust was released in 2009 and contains maps for the United States, Canada, and Mexico. The book also includes helpful tips for traveling through national parks and other tourist areas. In June 2015, the book was placed on the banned list at California prisons because of the risk of such material assisting potential prison escape.
Black & Decker Advanced Home Wiring.
Black & Decker Advanced Home Wiring. Zodiac Unmasked, the identity of America's most elusive serial killer revealed.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care.